hope you got your hallelujah saved up now. This is what you're waiting for. We hold our breath to stay alive. We were born to win, I just survived. And at the end it might not be pretty. If we have to burn down the city, you don't know hunger till you've been deprived. If you're holy, then I'm hellfire. Don't you like getting caught in the crossfire? Forget the ones that came before, 'cause this is what you're waiting for. This is what you're waiting for. Yeah, this is what you're waiting for. If you're holy, then I'm hellfire. Don't you like giving in to the desire? And if you're wanting something more, this is what you're waiting for. This is what you're waiting for. This is what you're waiting for. If you're holy, then I'm hellfire. I'm hellfire. I'm hellfire. Oh, this is what you're waiting for. 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 This is what you're waiting for.
Dertlerimi unutmak üçin seni söýdüm. Her kimin ýaşamaga bir sebäbi bar. Meniňki sen.